Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DS Gyandrashti. Today my video is based on Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter of India. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897, Cuttack, Bengal Presidency, British India. Nowadays, Cuttack is in Odisha state. His father was Janakinath Bose. His mother was Prabhavati Bose. Bose was born into wealth and privilege in a large Bengali caste family in Odisha during the British Raj. The early receipt of an Anglo-centric education, he was sent after college to England to take the Indian Civil Service examination. He succeeded with distinction in the first exam but demurred at taking the routine final exam. Citing nationalism as a higher calling, returned to India in 1921. Bose joined the nationalist movement led by Mahatma Gandhi and the Indian National Congress. He followed Jawaharlal Nehru to leadership in a group within the Congress which was less keen in constitutional reform and more open to socialism. Bose became Congress president in 1938. After re-election in 1939, differences arose between him and Congress leaders, including Gandhi, over the future federation of British India and princely estate, but also because discomfort had grown among the Congress leadership over Bose's negotiable attitude to non-violence and his plans for greater powers for himself. After the large majority of Congress Working Committee members resigned in protest, Bose resigned as president and was eventually ousted from the party. Bose died on mid third degree burns after his plane crashed in Japanese Taiwan on 18 August 1945. Some Indians did not believe that the crash had occurred, expecting Bose to return to secure India's independence. Subhash Chandra Bose believed that Bhagavad Gita was a great source of inspiration for the struggle against the British. His mentor was Chittaranjan Das. His famous quote was, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." And another famous quote was, "Dilli Chalo." This is all about Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose is known as also Netaji. Thank you for listening and watching this video. This video may help in your examination.